Namaste and good morning, my yogi fellows. This session is a relaxing backbend flow, and people from all levels can do it. So, follow along and let's dive in. Sit in the center of your mat, cross leg position, hands near your chest, back straight, shoulders spread. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. From there, let's go into a tabletop position and go into child's pose. Bring your attention here in your child's pose. Bring your focus here. Follow your breath. Long, deep inhale and long, deep exhale. Try to find that length in your spine. You can also take your fingertips forward to find that stretch in your back. And take a couple long, deep breaths here. And when you're ready, let's come into a tabletop position. And from here, we are going to go into cat and cow poses. So inhale as you look up straight into cow pose, and exhale as you look down and make a curve on your back, pushing your hips inside. Inhale into cow, looking up, finding that curve on the other side, pushing your hips back. Exhale as you go into cat pose, curving on the other side on your spine and pushing your hips forward. Repeat it a couple times at your own pace with your own breath. On the next exhale, go into a downward facing dog. This is your first downward facing dog, so feel free to stretch your legs out. You can move your legs, shake your legs, or find that deeper length in your spine. Your drishti or your gaze should be at your navel or at the bottom of your mat. You can keep a slight bend in your knees. From here, let's lay on our mat with our chest on the ground, hands by our side, foot flexed down. And from here, we are going to go into cobra pose, slightly pushing the ground with our palm and lifting ourselves up. Keep it gentle, it's still warming up your body. Exhale as you come down. Look on either side, resting your left ear on the ground. We're going to do another set of this. So inhale as you pull yourself up gently with the support of your hands. Your elbows should be tucked next to your body, not outwards, close to your body. Exhale as you come down and look in the opposite direction with your right ear on the mat now. Now we are going to go into spank pose. Your forearms rested in front of you, shoulders and elbows in straight line. Inhale as you lift your torso up, looking up. Find that back bend here. Keep breathing and keep pulling yourself up. And on that next exhale, come back on the mat, looking towards your right, your left ear on the ground. This should help release any tension from your neck. Now we are going to repeat it on again. So take a deep breath as you pull yourself up. Keep looking up. Keep breathing here. Don't hold your breath. Maybe try to find a deeper stretch this time, maybe an inch deeper. And on that next exhale, come back on the mat, looking in the opposite direction with your right ear on the ground. Next, we are going to go into airplane mode. So, inhale as you lift your upper body and your legs up, your hands by your side. Keep looking up, keep breathing, hold this position for as long as you can, and then gently release and come back on the mat. We are going to repeat it one more time. So, whenever you are ready, inhale as you lift your upper body and your legs and thighs off the ground as much as you can. Find that bend in your back. Stay here for a breath and then gently release. Now come back up in a seated position and then lie on the mat with your back on the ground this time. And let's bend our knees and bring our foot closer to our body. Your hands near your feet, and inhale as you lift your body up from your hips, your thighs, your back off the ground. You're resting on your shoulders and your foot here. You can support your hips with your hands, or if you're comfortable, you can make a bind below your body. Keep a slight tuck of your chin so that you're not impacting your neck. On every inhale and exhale, keep pushing your hips up. Exhale as you slowly come down. From here, we are going to go into a tabletop position again, and this time we stand on our knees straight up. Inhale as you bring your hands to rest on your hips behind, and then inhale as you slowly start bending backwards from your back, keeping a slight push from your hands on your hips, and make sure to push your hips forward. You push your hips forward, your thighs forward, and then your bend, then your back backwards. Follow your gaze, keep looking back, keep breathing, and then slowly come back into a seated position. Inhale as you raise your arms up. Exhale as you bring your hands towards your feet, holding the big toe. This should help release any tension from your lower back. You can keep a slight bend in your knees. Long, deep inhale and long, deep exhale. Gently release the pose and get back in a lying position on your back. And now with your knees bent in, we are going to slightly move both our knees in one direction and then the opposite direction in a windshield wiper kind of position. Keep moving your legs, your knees in alternate directions. Keep breathing. Find that twist in your back. Slowly release the pose and straighten your legs out. Next, inhale as you bring your left knee towards your chest and grab your left foot 2 inches below the knee with your hands. Your hands are closer to your body and you're gently pushing your knee down towards your underarms, not straight towards your chest, but slightly outwards towards the side of your body, towards your underarms. Keep breathing here. Gently release your left foot and repeat it on the other side by bringing your right foot in, holding it 2 inches below your knees, and then pushing it towards your body, towards the side of your body. And keep maintaining that flex in your left foot. Your left foot should be on the ground. If it has a tendency to go up, but keep your focus on your left knee as well and keep it grounded. Keep breathing here. And then gently release your right foot. From here we can go into happy baby pose. So bring your foot up in the air and then hold both of your foot from the side with your hands, and feel free to do whatever your body needs here. You can move left and right, you can cross your legs, you can move up and down to create a gentle massage in your lower back. Slightly push your legs down with the help of your hands. And when you are done, gently release your legs down, wide apart, your hands by your side facing upwards, and then go into your final resting position, which is Savasana, the corpse pose. Thanks for following along on this gentle, relaxing backbend class. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Namaste.